So when it came to being able to prototype, we got very lucky in being able to have basically a clean slate or space for us to iterate in. And really, I think there were 3 major prototypes that we went through, moving teams onto the space, working with design and giving teams initial layouts on how to work in the space, and really letting them kind of empower themselves to be able to reorganize the spaces they needed. And it really saw a lot of evolution over like the first couple of weeks, with furniture come and going, being able to scale up and scale down, some things that in a traditional project room we'd never be able to do. So we were able to take a lot of these learnings and really start prototyping with furniture and new layouts, and trying to understand, one of the big things is how much square footage per employee do we really need, and what is the right space amount so that people aren't crowded and you get a gridlock situation, but it's not so open that you lose a lot of energy and a lot of the collaboration that we were really pushing for. One of the big learnings that we had is what we're calling the front porches. So one of the teams, kind of to see if they could, a little act of rebellion, took some couches that were really not intended for use in the space, and found out very quickly that it became a really great social hub for us to be able to bring in and engage our customers and be able to walk through whether it was a business process, defining their needs, and really being able to bring in not only digital content but analog content onto this front porch as well, to really be able to provide or remove any barriers at all from being able to have spontaneous meetings, being able to share content no matter what our customers or what the people in IT had with them, so that we could really iterate very quickly without having to find a project room or a conference room. One of the big things that we've learned very quickly through Agile is that we really need strong cross-functional teams. The ability to have instantaneous moments of collaboration without having to find a conference room to duck into, do laps around the floor trying to find some private space, and being able to do this all in one team space has been huge to accelerate how quickly we can get answers. It's kind of breaking the model of sending off an email and waiting for them to reply, or scheduling a meeting that maybe we can't get everyone into the room for like another 2 or 3 days, so that you get all these project delays that start building up over time, and then you start missing your deadlines. Whereas kind of Agile and the space we created really helped accelerate or amplify the ability for our teams to work not only with each other but with our customers as well.